Another is intercalary meristem. What is intercalary meristem? The meristem, I already discussed with you that the meristem which is present, if this is the plant like bamboo or maize plant, there are some type of structures like these. You can recognize these type of structures in the maize. For example, this is the maize plant. If this is the maize plant, if this is the maize plant like this, it is the maize plant, it is the maize plant like this, and this is the leaf, this is the leaf. This maize plant having these structures, these are known as nodes. These are known as nodes. This is also a node. It is leaf, and between the two nodes there is internode. Internode. And intercalary meristem is present at the base of the internode. That means it is internode at the base of the internode here. I will show again here. If this is the node, another node, and here at the base of the internode, here it is the apical, this intercalary meristem. The dotted line I showed here like this, it is the intercalary meristem at the base of internode, and also at the leaves at the base of the leaves, or you can say here the leaves also occupy the intercalary meristem. What is the function of the intercalary meristem? I showed you the position where it is present in the leaves and at the base of the internode. What is the function of the intercalary meristem? Or you can say it is present at base of internode, and it is present at the leaves, or present in the leaves, present at the leaf primordia. Leaf primordia. Leaf primordia means that region from where the leaf gets originated. If I will show you here, the tip of the plant is like this. It is a plant tip, it is apical meristem, and these are leaf primordia, these from where the leaf get originated. And leaf also get formed by the intercalary meristem. What is the function of intercalary meristem? You might have seen a stick or a branch of a tree like this, having these structures like these. A branch of a tree having these structures, these are known as buds. Bud. What is bud? Actually, bud is the underdeveloped shoot. Underdeveloped shoot. In bud, actually there are, if we show the bud, or if we see the bud in the microscope, we can see the bud like this. This is the condenser like this. This is the condensed structure having condensed nodes and internodes. That means these nodes are, though the nodes are here very far apart, but in bud these nodes are very condensed. What happens at the base of internode, there is present intercalary meristem. This intercalary meristem, it divides and creates that this internode may be enlarged like this, this internode, and now then this internode can again be enlarged like this, result in the also primary growth. That means growth in height. When the internodes grow in height, and it results also in the growth, primary growth of the plant. That means they are also responsible for the primary growth of plants. In case of leaves, what will these intercalary meristems do? In the leaf primordia, these intercalary meristem, they increase the surface area of the leaf. That means the leaf becomes big and big. Due to the presence of intercalary meristem, it increases the leaf surface area. It increases the leaf surface area, due to which the leaves become enlarged. It was about